foot movement. See
Don't,
what happens?
like, this is not just for the ladies, I would say. Like, this is for everyone in the family.
Yes.
And you can see right here, like, you were able to get that really great result very quickly, but you aren't getting that almost like cheese grater kind of feel.
So my dad is a podiatrist. He's been a podiatrist for over 40 years, and he would always yell at me, those cheese grater tools, the things that look like the cheese graters or the other harsh pumice stones are ruining the good skin. So you're not just taking away the dead skin, you're also ruining the good skin. With this nanoglass, look at the powder that's coming off of their feet right here.
Wow.
I mean, that's seconds of use. So if you use this for 30 to 60 seconds on your feet, you're going to have a complete refresh. All of that dust was living on the feet. That's the dry skin, that's the dead skin, that's the cracked heels, even the calluses. If you're a runner, I mean, Jane Tracy talks about all the time, she gets those calluses, they need help.
Since September of last year,
yes.
this is your way to really spruce them up, get ready, but always have this at the ready as well. Now, PopSonic really brings us the best of the best when we talk about those easy solutions that also...
Or this one.
I wonder if I could fit in a carry-on like this.
I think you could. You could totally fit in the carry-on.
I'm 5'1". I'm gonna grab a measuring tape.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have rose gold. Jody's using it in that really pretty brush stroke. Grab yours before we have to go on this one. It's V89152. Put it in your cart and check out Courtney Morris. Thank you.
Great to see you guys.
Morris, we love you.
Thanks for stopping by, guys. Love you. Bye.
I'm out of love dropping loads inside of you and Gabby.